Hello friends, welcome to Dhaka Lab and Institute. Today I will discuss about MOSFET. MOSFET is one of the most important parts of all electrical board. So MOSFET is very important. Today I'll discuss it. M for metal, O for oxide, S for semiconductor, F for field, E for effect, and T for transistor. Totally metal oxide, semiconductor, field effect, transistor. And we'll see some workings of MOSFET. MOSFET usually used for switching and regulation purpose, and when it is needed for switching and to regulate the voltage, MOSFET is very needed. And MOSFET also is important for making circuit on or off, and MOSFET is important for passing supply according to circuit. Actually, MOSFET is used to pass supply according to circuit. Identification of MOSFET, how to know that and how you will identify a MOSFET. Today I will show you, and today I will show how to know which one is MOSFET. MOSFET, for knowing MOSFET, you will see a spot here, and in right side of that spot there will be 4 pins, and that 4 pins are drain, and in left side of that spot there will be 3 pins. These pins are called source, and after that there is 1 pin, that is gate. Okay, so you can say that this is number 1 pin, 1, 2, 3, these pins are source, and number 4 pin is gate, and 5, 6, 7 and 8 pins are drain. So you will see also this type of MOSFET. For this type of MOSFET you will see first left side of the MOSFET pin is gate and right side is source, and the middle upside pins is drain. So when you see a MOSFET you will find that structure. And now we will see how MOSFET works. And suppose that any type of supply, for any type of supply, or if I make you understand, there is an example like you know how a bulb works. If we see that first, if you want to make bulb on, you have to switch, okay, and then the voltage will pass and the light will be on. And this is the normal system, and this is also for MOSFET. And if you want to control the voltage, you can use MOSFET, and switching purpose gate is used for. Okay, so gate is used actually for switching, that when, where, when and how you will switch that actual voltage circuit. So, and if you want to pass this voltage this way, you can switch that, or if you want to pass left side, you can also do that. Okay, and for this purpose switch is used actually, that you can actually make the voltage right way. So this is the way how MOSFET works. An internal structure of MOSFET is here. I'll show you that internally there is a diode here. Okay, for N channel the diode position is here. This is anode and this is cathode. Source is anode and drain is cathode. And if you inject voltage by source, this will pass away easily without switching, gate switching. If you want to pass voltage by drain side, cathode point, you need switching, gate switching. Okay, if you actually switch the gate, then from drain to source voltage will be passed. And for P channel, diode position is anode will be in drain and cathode will be in source side. Okay, so if you want to pass the voltage from drain to source, you don't need to have gate switching. Easily voltage will be passed. If you want to pass the voltage from source to drain, then gate switching is very important. So now in here we can also see the symbols of the MOSFET. This is N channel MOSFET symbol, and this is gate bar, and this is drain, and this is source. So here, if you want to understand the symbol, you can see that if the arrow mark goes to the side of gate, actually if arrow goes to gate side, then you will tell that it is N channel MOSFET. And here P channel MOSFET symbol is this, and you can see that the arrow mark is outward side, okay, from gate. So you can understand that this is P channel MOSFET. N channel MOSFET, in inside arrow mark is here, and P channel the arrow mark is outside. Okay, this is the way you have to understand when you will go for diagram, schematic diagram. Here this symbol is used. And now we will see the working of N channel. Okay, so when voltage pass way from source to drain, it will go easily. As you know that from anode to cathode easily pass away, and but if you want to pass the voltage from drain to source, you need gate switching. Okay, if you have that voltage, you know that there is also a gate switching voltage. You should have that voltage. If you get that voltage, then the drain voltage will pass to the source voltage. Okay, so this is the work of n-channel MOSFET, and we'll see now how n-channel MOSFET work. Suppose that for n-channel, voltage will pass from source to drain easily without gate voltage, without gate switching. But when you need to pass the voltage from drain to source, you need to have gate switching. Okay, then the drain voltage will pass away from drain to source. For P channel, as you know, I told you before that diode position is from drain to source. That's why if you want to pass voltage drain to source, the voltage will pass away easily without having gate switching. But if you want to pass the source voltage to drain side, you need gate switching. Okay, then the source voltage will pass to drain side. Okay, this way the P channel MOSFET works. And as you know that for P channel, the drain voltage easily pass away from drain to source. Okay, but when you need to pass the voltage from source to drain, you need switching. Then the source voltage will pass away. And I will tell you some important things, that how you will test and how you will know what type of the here I will give you some tips to know the MOSFET type. For N channel, you have to keep the black probe of multimeter in drain and red probe in source. If values shows less than 900, you can say it is N channel MOSFET. And for P channel, keep the red probe of multimeter in drain and black probe in source. If values shows less than 900, it is, you can say, P channel MOSFET. Okay, so now we will see that how to test MOSFET, it is good or bad. Okay, for testing you have to keep one probe in drain and other probe in source. If the MOSFET keeps beeping or shows zero values, then the MOSFET is short or bad, you can say that. Or after keeping one probe in source and other probe in gate keeps beeping or shows zero values, then the MOSFET is short or bad. This way you can test the MOSFET, and I think I have made you understand all the things of MOSFET, and thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you.